Hello friends, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make this beautiful dress for a 2 to 3 year old baby. This is very simple and great for beginners. So thread your sewing machine, grab your fabric, and let's get right into the details. So I'll be working with a cotton fabric for this dress. I have here 2 strips of fabric that I've cut out. I'll be using this for the bodice of the dress. This fabric has a width of 22 inches and a total length of 7 inches. So we are going to be separating the 2 pieces of fabric. Then we'll fold in the top by a 1/4 inch twice and then stitch this down on the sewing machine to clean the edge. I'll be repeating the same process for the other piece of fabric as well. So to share the top bodice, I have here my elastic thread which I have placed into my bobbin, and I have my fabric here. I have cleaned the edge with a 1/4 inch twice. So we are going to be creating the gathers on this. So I'll be creating and leaving a gap of a 1/4 inch on each line. So let's go ahead and then start the process. So as you stitch from one end to the other, the fabric is going to form the gathers beautifully because of the elastic thread we have in this sewing machine. So take your time to do this. This is a very simple project. When you are done with the first line, you move to the second by leaving a 1/4 inch gap. You repeat the same process until you get to the end of the fabric, where we'll be leaving 1/2 inch towards the end, so we can be able to stitch this to the lower part of the dress. So this is what it looks like. I left out 1/2 inch at the bottom, which I'm going to be attaching to the lower part of this dress. So I'm going to bring in the other piece of the bodice, and then I'll repeat the entire process on this fabric as well. Remember to leave 1/2 inch towards the end. So this is what the 2 pieces look like. If you stretch it, you realize that it gathers beautifully. So we are going to be setting this aside so we can work on the bottom part of this dress. So for the bottom part, I have here 2 pieces of fabric, one for the front, one for the back. The total width of this fabric is 22 inches and I have a length of 10 inches. So separate the pieces. The next thing you are going to do is to stitch the bodice to the bottom part of the dress. So as you are stitching down, the fabric will be gathering at the bottom. I'm going to be repeating the same process for this fabric as well. Stitch the bodice to the bottom part on the 1/2 inch seam allowance we left. So I'm done stitching them together, and this is what it looks like. So the waistline is stretchy at this point. We are going to also bring in our fabric piece for the frills for the bottom of the dress. So set this aside. For the frills, I have here 2 long strips of fabric. It has a total length of 4.5 inches and a width of 55.5 inches. So at the top, you are going to draw tiny gathers or pleats, and then you are going to be repeating the same for the other strip of fabric. Draw in the gathers. I'll be stitching this to the bottom part of the dress on 1/2 inch on the sewing machine, and I'll repeat the same for the other piece of the fabric. So I've stitched down the ruffles at the hem of the dress for both the front and then the back. This is what the wrong side looks like. So the next thing we are going to do is to sew in the sides of the dress. So I'll place them on each other, right sides facing one another. Then I'm going to head to my sewing machine and then stitch the sides down on 1/2 inch from the top to the hem of the dress. I'll be repeating the same process for the other side as well. Stitch it down on 1/2 inch. So I've stitched down the sides. Our dress is almost complete. This is what it looks like. We are going to be cleaning the hem of the dress by folding in 1/4 inch twice and stitching all around to give the hem a clean finish. So I've stitched down the hem. This is what the dress is looking like at the moment. I hope you find this tutorial very helpful. Let's set this aside so we can work on the straps of the dress. So for the strap, I have 2 pieces of fabric that are long and then another 2 for the short one. The long one has a total width of 16.5 inches and it has a length of 3.5 inches. The shorter one also has a width of 8.5 inches and a total length of 3 inches. So we are going to be using this to create our straps. So folding the longer one into 2 and then you create a slanted line at the mid towards the hem of the fabric this way, just to form a curve. Then I'll cut this out. So this is what I'll be using to create the ruffles that I'll be stitching onto the straps of this dress. So when I cut it out and I open it up, I have 2 pieces, one for each side of this strap. I'm going to be cleaning the curved area of this piece of fabric with a bias strip. So I have my bias strip here, stitch it all around and then clean the curved region of the fabric. Then you gather the bottom part. So I'll be repeating the same process for the other piece of fabric. Clean the curved line with a bias strip and then you gather the bottom. So I've done that. This is what it looks like and I've completed one of the straps of this dress. This is what it looks like. So on the shorter piece of fabric, you are going to bring in the gathered fabric this way. Place it at the edge and then stitch it down, leaving 1/2 inch on both sides of the strap. Then you stitch this down on 1/2 inch. So after stitching down, you turn it to the wrong side this way and then fold in 1/2 inch and then fold it in again to cover up the rough edges of the gathered ruffle we have on the sleeve. So when I fold it in, I'm going to head to my sewing machine and then stitch this down to complete the straps for this dress. So this is what the straps look like, looking very gorgeous, very simple. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial to this point. Now we are going to be attaching this to our dress. These are the 2 straps here. To attach it to the dress, I'm going to be marking 2 inches from the sides of the dress. Go in by 2 inches at the top and then mark. Then you also mark out the other side 2 inches inward. So this is the point we are going to be stitching the strap onto the dress, on that 2 inch mark. So place the strap onto the bodice this way and then stitch it down. Stitch down the other strap as well on the 2 inch mark we just created to complete the straps. And then for the back, you are going to turn your fabric and repeat the same thing by going in by 2 inches on the top and then completing the straps on the sewing machine. Repeat the same for the other strap as well. So this is how gorgeous the dress came out. Very simple, very easy. This is how the waist and then the bodice of the dress looks like. This is so gorgeous. I hope you give it a try. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, like the video, comment and then share with your loved ones. Thank you so much for making time to watch this tutorial. We'll see you in our next tutorial.